Hello all. So today we had lecture number 14 and this lecture was amazing. I explained about uh, not coming in my mind which topic. Yeah, I was discussing about convergent nozzle, and we discussed about choking condition, like why people are confused regarding choking, unchoking, static pressure, exit static pressure, total pressure, all these things we were discussing, and how the phenomena is different from, choking in convergent nozzle is different, and the way divergent, CD nozzle will choke, that is different, like we explained in different way, and why, what is the root cause, all these things we discussed. But CD nozzle I have not taught yet, because I used to teach CD nozzle after more fundamentals will get over. So currently today we had a we were based on the choking criteria of convergent nozzle, and we solved some numericals. Students were understanding. Yeah, it used to be interesting topic when someone is understanding choking and choking for the very first time. Many people think that Mach 1 is choking, slow rate maximum is choking. Choking is more than this. So when you understand choking, exactly like a history, like a story, you should understand that this is the convergent nozzle, gas is coming from the chamber, all those things. Anyway, it was a good class, and I want to talk about the revision part, because thermodynamics got over, and many lectures in gas dynamics also being over slowly. So if you will not revise things, so whatever you have learnt, you will forget for sure, and when you will start again, it will consume same amount of time. See, revision is always better and less time taken when you are revising the fact what you already know. If you will revise something what you have forgot, then it will again take same time, because again you have to read fundamentals, again you have to open those pages like in the beginning you started. So understanding is different thing, and that understanding should always be on your fingertips. For that, revision is very important. Like in bad worst case, minimum 3 revisions are important for your syllabus. So it depends on time availability. See, currently what are we doing? We are learning the subject. Then whatever we are learning, it is your duty, you will keep this in revision. How will you revise? Based on your time availability. If you don't have time for revision, it makes no sense going ahead. So what is the best way to revise? See how much time you have. I will tell you, a person should revise in this way. Open your notes, go to the theory, go some examples what you have done. After that, best revision is solve numericals. So I have given sufficient numericals on drive. Students are solving those numericals. Solve them. Solution is there. Was that once you feel confident, go for topic wise test series. Okay, and if you feel that again you are forgetting, then again you do the same thing. Again you visit your notebook, see the formulas, and again solve those same questions what you have solved earlier. Then it will give you very good maturity on that particular topic. When you are visiting same question but still you are not able to feel comfortable, still everything is not like a story. So revision is very important. And if you are not solving topic wise test series every week on time, like every day on time, like today I have finished some topic, then you have to do assignment, and then you have to practice for that topic, you have to solve topic wise test series. If you are not doing this, then slowly pata kya hoga, aa bell mujhe maar, you will invite stress regarding your study. So right now you may be thinking that okay, you have so much time, or one day you may be wasting easily, but this time will never come back, and next day you will be having next topic, next day you will be having next topic, next day you will be having next topic. So whatever topic I am finishing, try to master that topic in the same time zone, like maybe 1 or 2 days delay, that's fine, but topic should be ready in the same time zone. And one more thing, if you will not revise properly, then it makes no sense to cover the syllabus. Cover the syllabus whatever I'm covering. After that, keep revising. What will be best time to revise? For some students it can be morning time, for some students can be afternoon, like whenever you are free. And again I am telling you, if you are in college, Don't involve yourself into so many extracurricular activities, because after 4 years of your college, some people will go to jobs, some people will go to IIT for master degree, and some people will be roaming here and there, and they will be wasting your time. I am not against participating in extracurricular activities, but if you have some better choice, like you are preparing for GATE exam, then you should be maintaining your focus there. Because after 4 years, of course you are doing good in your college, you have name and fame in your college, you have assigned yourself into so many extracurricular activities, but understand what is your main focus, what is your main goal. After 4 years you need a degree and you need a job, or if you don't need a job, then you need your masters in any IIT. Okay, so if you are thinking that GATE preparation is very handy, no guys, it demands lot of input, lot of time actually. Whatever you plan whatever, this timetable, that timetable, in every timetable you keep in mind you have certain volume to cover, certain syllabus to cover, and just covering syllabus, watching my lectures and noting down, after that no revision. If you are not able to solve tough problems by yourself, you are zero. If you are not able to solve those problems of assignments what I have given there, if you are not able to get very good rank in test series, very good, you are zero. Zero means really you are learning. Where is your focus? You are not solving questions in GATE exam, I mean in test series. You are attempting wrong. You see, step 1 is learning, step 2 is revision, step 3 is whatever you have learned, whatever concepts you have applied in test series questions. There are different type of errors you will see. You will see that yes, I knew that this question, but I did wrong. So there you will start learning your own weakness. That when these kind of questions are coming, I am doing mistake. When these type of questions are coming, I am doing mistake. Okay, note down all your mistakes. We have to do a lot of things. This journey is a difficult journey, but you can make it easier. See, actually it's not like easier. Definitely you will feel nervous, you will feel down, you will feel that no time. So whenever you get time, you study. Solve test series, solve problems, everything. From day one, I am telling you, be parallel with me. Some people are going here and there, some people are enjoying parties, some people are attending a lot of functions and all. One day if you will waste, it is not about you are wasting one day. Before that and after that also your brain will not be focused, like your focus will not be in same amount. Plus you will go there, you will somewhere, if you get sick or something, you will come back again, you will not be having enough mood. You are talking to different type of people in a day. Everything is distraction. Avoid that. Close yourself in a room and prepare, because you don't know aerospace concepts. That's why I am telling you. You put hard work, one month of hard work, 1 year of hard work. Then only you can prepare syllabus, you can make very good notes and you can practice. Otherwise it will be difficult, really difficult for you. You have to practice core, you have to practice aptitude, you have to practice mathematics. When? कब practice करोगे? इतना सब कुछ practice करने के लिए बाकी है. So today we finished this CD nozzle choking concept. It was really good concept. If you are preparing self-study or something, there are so many books in aircraft propulsion and even in aerodynamics. They explain choking and all. So for self-study students, just go there and read that and practice a lot of questions on choking. Because from choking you can it is like very popular topic in GATE Aerospace exam. So based on choking we'll be getting questions regularly. Okay, but from last 2-3 years question paper is very much conceptual. All the topics concept should be very clear in all the topics. And nowadays paper, like this year paper, full concept. So okay, so that's all. I finished my class and then I came out. I mean, I took some doubts. Then still today I have tonight no dinner. But I have taken parcel from mess. I thought so I was taking actually doubts. Then when doubts got over on call, then I started making this video. So this was lecture 14. Tomorrow we have lecture 15 for the gas dynamics, and we'll be practicing. We'll be going into the concept of normal shock wave and then fan overflow, relief. A lot of things are there to practice. I have to take that. Okay then. Good night all of you.